What was it at?
Like 33.
So close enough?
Yeah, close enough for me.
Was it close enough for me?
Yeah, if it's like 32,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
What's it supposed to have?
33.
Do you want to check the door? Wrong side. Wrong side. Wrong side.
Why don't they add it on both sides?
I don't know.
After checking tires and you're on the other side, do you really want to walk all the way over here to walk all the way back? There's 33, 33, 33, yep.
On the front?
33 front, 33 here, 33 spare.
Okay. So we know that's one's good, right?
To the back.
To the last tire.
The next time I am out of it. How many times have we done? 8.
3.
In all, for all the tires that I've done.
I can bring my truck over and you can do those too.
No.
Oh, come on, why not?
It doesn't have a 60 on here.
Good answer. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
There's a spider.
What's that?
There's a spider in this cow.
There's a spider in the wheel?
Right there.
So kill it. Or blow.
Right here. Ah!
Come on, Doug. Over here.
Get off my finger. Oh, wait. I know.
Can you hurry up?
I know a fun way for it. So I might need to get a new tool. I'll be back. Right here. I just want to say, this might be the funniest thing I will ever do. Just say.
This is how we're going to get rid of a spider?
Yeah, we're gonna blow it away. Can you get this off? Same way you get it on?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Push hard. Harder. Harder.
Ah! Okay, where's that spider?
All right. You grab it?
Ha! That would went woo, like a missile.
Hurry up. Peyton, can you walk around the front of the Jeep and get the dog out of here?
Hey. Look, 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 look.
You gotta push harder than that, buddy.
This one twists.
No, it doesn't twist.
Well, it goes.
This one goes in a little harder.
Turn it off that way.
Counterclockwise.
I get it on this way. Counterclockwise.
Against the clock.
This way.
That would be going with the clock.
You put it inside now.
There.
Thank you. I'm going to use that blow tool next.
No, you don't.
How do you know?
Because I know.
Because you think I scared all the spiders off?
I'm pretty sure you scared all the spiders off.
Just because of the my screen. 33.
Really? That's the worst looking valve stem we got, and that's okay. I trust you.
That's the pressure gauge. Yep, that shot out like a missile.
Yes. All right, are all the valve stem caps tight?
Check, 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 check.
Do you want to double check, make sure they stay?
Okay.
Good enough.
So basically, the best ones are the leaky ones, and the worst one is the best one.
Yep, exactly. Mind blowing.
I'm just doing the expression.
And you know where those tools go?
I know.
Thank you, buddy. Good job. Welner Tire Service. Hope you're not in a rush.